Jen. Oh, my voice. I just woke up. Hey, I'm Jen, and today is the first day of Outside Lands. And it's Halloween, so we're going to be dressing up for 3 days straight. I haven't been to a festival in so long, and today we are dressing in the most sexiest costumes I have ever come up with. We're doing a group costume with some of our friends, and we are going as old people. Now, I feel like my old person name is going to be Tilly, and she's just fabulous. She lives in Palm Springs. Let's see if that works out, and also Nick might be wearing a ball cap. Here's the outfit. Either this cool hairdo and this. It gives me very like Kath and Kim vibes. I could go with this hair, so we'll see what happens with that. I also had another option of like this dress plus this vest, which would be kind of cool, but it kind of looks like something I'd already wear because I do. This might be the fit, the combo of the two. Also, Nick has a huge gash on his leg. It's not even fake blood. I feel like I should put in like padding so I have a hunchback. So I've put my hair in this because I'm really concerned that my hair's not going to fit in a wig. What's that you got there? Oh yeah, it's coming together. We're both going to wear Birks because it's just super comfy. It's funny that it has a strap. I really am gonna see a struggle, I think, with putting this much hair in. All right, now I'm trying to put on some like wrinkles. I've just got like this brown color. I'm gonna put it underneath my eyes and everything. Like the first time ever you're not trying to cover up under eyes. This is old man Nick.
I need to eat so I can take my back pill.
Are you lost there?
I know when I'm in a Whole Foods.
Old woman Jen, let me put on my glasses. Okay. I love the moo-moo.
Thank you. Right wrist.
On the right wrist? Right wrist. Boom. I like your hair.
Yeah, when I take the hat off, I see why I wear a hat.
You should look like this all the time. It's attractive. Love it all. Yeah, we need some help. The bus is full, so we're getting bikes. We made it on the bike. You going good?
Oh yeah, hot grandpa.
Documenting the fact that I just met Darren Criss, and he thought I was his grandma. Sometimes all I think about is you, late nights in the middle of June. Gotta do some stretches after all that. Yes, Greta. Oh.
Don't forget about Grandpa Nick.
He's trying to get a ride.
A little dress up, sock down.
Is it working?
None of this? No?
We're back from Outside Lands. We gotta be quiet. Inside time. ASMR. My experience with Darren Criss. I was walking through the crowd and I like turn and I'm like, oh, that's Darren Criss. I saw it confirmed Darren Criss. I saw him walking walking past. I'm like, this is my moment. Rushing behind him, rushing. Like, and then he's like,
Oh, hey, Grandma.
hey, Grandma, I'm so sorry I haven't like called in a while, and I never told you, blah, blah, blah. He was like putting a whole like acting performance. He acted to my face, private performance. He just talked to me for about like 45 seconds.
It was a long 45
It
seconds.
was a long time. In character as my grandchild. And I felt like my whole life I had been his grandmother. I was just like nodding. I didn't know what to say. I was like, I'm Darren Criss's grandma. The astronauts here. Astronauts. We got the psychedelic guy over here. Are you like the captain?
Exactly.
Yeah.
Hey boys, have a smile.
We got our Spaceman. Oh yeah. Look at them go.
Oh, it's got
Alien here. On the way to the fest. Outside Lands Day 2. NASA and aliens. Marin. Oh yeah, Marin. Why is everyone dressed as spacemen? Everybody's dressed as spacemen today. Everybody. I'm gonna film everyone who's dressed as a spaceman. Oh yeah! Oh, there's a sim back there. Nice. We tried to find our friends, but we couldn't. There's another one. The fake ones are orange. Today is Outside Lands Day 3. It's been a long weekend and now we're gonna have a chill day. I'm bringing water and I just went goth, okay? So this is the outfit. Boom, boom, boom.
Your attention, please. Due to unforeseen circumstances, the musical act Tame Impala will not be performing tonight. The members were involved in a recent Squid Game event, and unfortunately were all eliminated. A replacement act has been arranged. Please welcome to the stage, The Wiggles!
Wave.